Welcome to Shakina Tutoring Children. Now we are going to see a third midterm test QP and answers. Okay, this is class 7 maths. Okay, round 52.6583 up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so you write down the numbers 52.6583. Okay, so do two decimal points means after this decimal point 1 2. Okay, so only up to this you need to have the number, but you cannot simply cut down this number. You will check the next number. Okay, so if this next number is more than 5, like say it is 5 6 7 8 or 9, then you will add 1. The 65 will become the next number. Okay, or this 5 will become next number. So you will write it as 52 point. What is the next number to 5? It is 6. Okay children, so now your number, now this number is rounded up to 2 decimal places. Okay, now we'll go to the next sum. Multiply 453 into 0 0.3, sorry, 53.03 into 7. So now ignore the decimal point. Okay, so write down as 453.03 into 7. Okay, children, now multiply 7 3s are 21, carry over 2, 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 3s are 21 again, carry over 2. Then 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 36, 37, carry over 3. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31. Okay, children. So write this answer here. What is it? 317121. Okay. But we have ignored this decimal point. So let's come back to the sum. So after this decimal, you have two numbers. Okay. So start from the last digit. That means at the end of the number, and just go two places inside. Say 1, 2. Okay. So your answer is 3171.21. Okay, children. So this is your answer. So coming on to the third sum, simplify 0.85 87 divided by 1000. Okay, so 0.87 by 1000. So how many zeros you have? You have 3 zeros. So let's go from the right side of this number, from the decimal point. Okay, children. So it is 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros you have? 3 zeros. So from this decimal point, let us push it in 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal point. So if you put 0, the value will not change. If you put some other number, the value will change. But if you put 0, the value will not change. So your answer is equal to 0.00087. Is it okay, children? Now let's go to the next number. It says convert to 2 1 by 4 to percentage. So it is 2 1 by 4. You have to convert into percentage. So how we can convert it into a improper fraction? This is a mixed fraction. So what you will do, you will multiply these two numbers and add this number. So how will you write down? 2 into 4 is equal to 8 plus 1 divided by 4. The same denominator will write. So that is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, children, that is, this is mixed number. You will convert into improper fraction. So you will multiply 2 into 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 divided by 4. So that is equal to 9 by 4. But we have to convert into percentage. So how will you convert it? You will multiply it by 100. Okay, children. So if you multiply it by 100, your answer will be 1 4s are 4 and this is 25. Always 4 will go 25 times in 100. So that is equal to 9 into 25. So let's do the multiplication. 25 into 9. So 9 5s are 45, carry over 4. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, children. So it is 225 percentage. Is it okay, children? Okay, now coming on to the next sum. Find the simple interest, okay, on rupees 35,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. So how will you find simple interest? Simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. So you should be very familiar with this formula. Only then you can work it out. So what they are asking you to find the simple interest. So write like this, it will be easy for you. So there you put question mark because you have to find simple interest. Now write down P is equal to 35,000. Okay, this is your principal. Then N is the number of years. So how many years? Number of years is equal to 2. And what is R? R is equal to rate of interest. So that is equal to 9%. So how will you write down here? You will write down as, instead of P, what you'll write? 35,000 into number of years is 2 into rate of interest is 9 by 100. Okay, children. So now cancel this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0. So your answer will be 350 into, what is 2 nines are? 2 nines are 18. Okay. So now we will do the multiplication here. 350 into 18. So what is it? 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, carry over 4, 8 threes are 20. 4 plus 4, 28. Okay, ma. So 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 threes are 3. Okay, so when you add, it will be 0, 0. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, carry over 1. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer is 6,300. So what is your simple interest, children? Your simple interest is equal to rupees 6,300. Okay, now this sum is, children, divide 9.55 kg of sweet among 5 children. How much will each child get? So each, if you have to do division. Okay, if they are asking for each, you have to do division. So here how much, what is the amount? The total kg 9.55 kg, and it has to be divided among 5 children. Okay, so we will do the division here. 9.55 divided by 5. Okay, children. So 5, how many times you can write the 5 tables here? Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, children. So here you see the first number. So you have 9. Okay, so 5, how many times will it go in this 9? See, this 9 comes between 5 and 10. So we will take the small number. Okay, so this number you write on here. How many times it is? 1 time. So write on as 1. So 9 take away 5 will be 4. Okay. Now this decimal point you write down here and bring this 5 down. Okay, children. So how many times will 5 go in 45? Check over here. So if you see, you have 45 here. So write down this 45 here. Put a minus and put a line. And now count how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many times it goes? 9 times. So 9 5s are 45. Now it is 0. Now bring this 5 also down. So how many times will 5 go? So here you have the 5. So write this 5 down as minus 5. And then how many times it goes? 1 time. Okay, so here it is 0. So how much each child will get? Each child will get 1.91 kg. Okay, children. So the each child, we can finish the answer like this. Each child will get 1.91 kg. Is it okay, ma? Now we'll go to the next sum. There are 560 students in a school. So total number of children, how many? Total number of children is equal to 560. Then out of these students, 320 are boys. So how will you write down? Number of boys is equal to 320. So they are asking you to find the percentage of girls in that school. So how we can find out number of girls? Number of girls is equal to 560 minus 320. Okay, children, so let's do it here. 560 minus 320. Okay, children, so 0 take away 0, 0. 6 take away 2 is 4. 5 take away 3 is equal to 2. So how many girls? It is 240. But what is our question? We want to know the percentage of girls. So how you can find the percentage of girls? Write down this 240 divided by total number. So what is the total number of students? 560. Because you want it as percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, children. So cut this 0 and this 0. Okay, children. So we will do 4 tables. Okay, over here. So here it is. You can write it as 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So here it is 6 4s are 24 and you have a 0 over here. So we will try 2 tables. Okay, children. So that is equal to 7 2s are 14. Over here it is 30. So what is your answer? 30 into 10, which is equal to 300. divided by 7. Okay children, so when we divide 300 by 7, your answer will be 4 sevens are 28. So minus, when you take from 0 you cannot take, so you borrow from here, this becomes 2. From 10 if you take 8 it is 2 and 0 comes here. Okay children, so that is equal to 2 sevens are 14. Okay children, so now when you subtract, your answer is 6 because it will not go, so it will borrow 1, this will become 1. So 10 take away 4 is equal to 6, then you put a decimal point and you add a 0. So here we see 8 sevens are 56, 8 sevens are 56. So it keeps on going. Okay, so we will wind up with this one. So it is equal to 42.8 percentage are girls. Okay children, thank you.